So ladies and gentlemen, the stage is going to melt down with super power. It's Shah Rukh Khan, the King Khan!
Thank you everyone, once again, nice to see you all. And a big thanks to Google and YouTube and Rajan and all the team that has been associated with getting this to happen. From all the humility that I can muster up as a superstar, I bow down to you and thank you for allowing us to do this. Thank you so much. Many years ago, not many years, actually, I was hosting Kaun Banega Crorepati. And one of the, I think 1 crore rupee question was, which is the invention of the century or the invention of the year. And I remember my friends were vying for that 1 crore rupee prize. And the question, and the answer was actually YouTube. It had come on the Time magazine or the Newsweek cover that is the invention. You are the latest invention of this year or the century. And I kept on trying to give hints to my friends ki, you will know the answer, you should know the answer, and they went all around and lost that 1 crore rupee. At that point of time, I really didn't understand what YouTube is going to do to our lives, how it is going to change us, how we are going to be completely addicted to it. And now, 3-4 years down the line, I can't imagine life without Google or YouTube. It is one of the most amazing inventions, one of the greatest assets for information and for entertainment. And I truly believe the biggest thing that Google and YouTube do is take away the loneliness that we all suffer from. I know at nights when I'm tired, family is not around, and I feel like crying, I quickly go to YouTube and figure out that I need to watch something and smile a little, laugh a little at other people's silliness. So thank you so much. For years I've been wanting that is there something that I can work together with Google or and YouTube. And this film being about the digital world, about computers and video games, I think this kind of lends itself best to your platform. And I'm really, again, thankful that you have allowed us to do this. I hope we are able to carry this forth and bring very exciting things on Google and YouTube. And my children get scared. Earlier when I used to be on the laptop with them or on the computer, they used to get very excited because one would just Google everything, which was fun. But nowadays when they are studying, I quickly go down and say, there will 100% be a video about energy equals MC square. There's so many educative things. Now they get scared of me and they don't allow me to come and put on Google and YouTube in front of them because they know I'll start educating them. So amazing amount of interaction in my personal life because of this great thing on the internet. And I just thought that, our film, which has been very special, I've been trying to make it for the last 4 or 5 years. I'm still trying to make it the last 30 days. I just felt that if we can use the digital medium, the media on which everyone now accesses, if we are able to utilize that to further the reach of our film, and hopefully with this tie-up, and I'm sure actually why hopefully, all the wonderful things that are being created on YouTube and Google for Ravan, we'll be able to reach out to a lot more audiences, a lot more people, and hopefully recover some of the money that I've spent making this film.